one of the issues I had was, so we're going to go out and do another park to drive, drive to park, all that experiment with FSD V12 and hit some of our trouble spots once again during the daylight. See how it does. See if it does the trick. On FSD from park, apparently people were saying, yeah, you're doing it all wrong. You have to turn it on. I said, turn it on? What are you talking about? Well, you'll see now, I do have the button that says I can turn it on. So if we look at this, if you do not see this appearing, you need to just go in to autopilot right there. Start FSD supervised from park. Brake confirm. You know what? I'm turning that off. Yeah, I'll leave it on. Leave it on. So you'll need to do that. It will then tell you, oh, go out and turn off pin to drive. And when you do that, then you have to come back in and make it work from there. So with that said, where is my family? I don't know. They'll be here. I'm Brian. Welcome to Future Ozza.
Really funny.
It uses the seat sensors. Do we have one more coming?
No.
Oh.
Yeah.
It'll have to do. Yeah. Just, being holly and jolly.
Oh my god, that's cute.
Last night, new problem at this intersection that we'd never noticed. It thinks it's a four-way stop. It is not a four-way stop. It is a two-way stop. It says cross traffic does not stop. And it's going to see that guy. Stop for him. That's good. But last night it pulled out and if this was a robo-taxi and no one was here, it would have been an accident at fault. So a perfect drive to get here. Probably have just fast forwarded through all that. Now we, I guess, look for a parking spot. Didn't try and take the disabled parking spot. That's a nice change from the last drive. Oh, you're just going to drop us off in front?
Appears so.
All right. Okay, we got it. I'll just drive to get us out of here because I don't know what you're doing there. Last time it took us through that weird way. We'll engage it here. Oh. Good. Pedestrian.
I think you mean elf.
Sorry, my apologies. And I like how they're just crab walking. Okay, please don't. I figured it out. I did not have to tell it. Nope. Okay, good. I didn't have to intervene there. Now, because that was a no left. That was a one-way street. You did it right. It just wanted me to stress out. Gonna park straight. Oh, that's real parking. It's pretty good parking. It's pretty good parking.
The fact that you don't even need to start driving in order to do it is really cool.
Critical for it is really cool that you don't have to start to be in motion, because yes, but think of the profession. What do you do for a living? Oh, I work at the highway on-ramp. I get people's cars started for them and then jump out. It's very dangerous, but the pay is meh. All right, so instead of going,
Going in here.
yeah, in the do not enter, get a good shot of that. Yeah, okay. So last time it took us to the no parking zone in front of the curb, and this time,
It's taking us into the do not enter side.
mm-hmm,
Oh, and it's going all the way up to the front.
yeah,
Not like there's a parking lot right over there.
well. And yeah, but 2 handy spots we took up this time. Crooked.
Also, that was the not parking spot. That was the one with the lines through it.
Sure was. It sure was. Uh-huh. So it can park like a jerk.
Oh, we're in drive.
Oof. All the way out to the second lane. Okay. That's fine.
Well, it thinks that it's a yellow line.
It does think it's a yellow line.
It's rather hard. Why does it want to turn here so bad?
It doesn't. It wants to change lanes after the intersection. You gonna keep doing that?
Yes.
That's weird, dude. That's weird behavior. That's weird behavior. All right, time to park.
It's further into the parking
It's
spot.
a parking spot.
So this is how into the parking spot I am, which as you can see is not bloody close. This would be great for dropping someone off, but not. You all right there? You took your weight off the seat, didn't you?
Oh God.
Yeah, because I wanted to see if it'll if it can do the parking garage. Someone asked for that.
No parking, no standing, do not leave vehicle unattended.
Well, if you leave this vehicle unattended, the idea is it would drive away. So let's get into the parking garage. I like how they had the audacity to think that you could actually charge for parking. We'll climb on the floor. See if we can get here. Whoa! That's the problem with full meat driving. Apologies, passengers. It can back into parking spots so well.
Why doesn't it just do that?
Yeah, definitely straighten out. Okay. There's a place we went that had bike lanes. Was it here? Where were we? Yeah, I'm trying to find that. Is it this one? Or was it on Main Street? It might be on Main Street. So let's just look it up here. Gonna try it from a parking garage.
It's going the correct direction.
So far, correct direction.
This is still the correct direction. Don't think it saw that.
I don't think it did. Don't think it sees this one.
Oh.
Don't think it's seeing this one either.
Uh-oh.
Are we gonna make it?
I'm impressed.
This is, wow.
Wow. Oh.
Full stop for the stop sign. Who are you waiting for?
Object in path detected.
There's no object in your path. I'm just gonna sit here for a minute. Gonna goose it. There you go. So I did tap the accelerator to escape from our new home. Recognizing that they're slow and getting around them. That was a very human behavior. Not that car. That car was driving like the sloth from Zootopia. Yeah, I wonder if that's better. Not see better. What if we have sound capture? Something called this a window. I believe it's a window. We have a window in the tower. Some kind of area that has a window. Now that's what we're about. It rains so much. Seattle's famous for rain. We're not in Seattle. We're somewhere that rains more. Like 10, 20 days a year more. Definitely doesn't affect my mood though. Well, good, because we have bike lanes. We'll have the rain. But yeah. I don't see a bike path. I'm guessing I'm on the wrong road. We are driving over the turtles. Well, this park was successful. Oh yeah, it is. I wondered why the rain changed its sound. Bike path? Not in the bike path.
Might change lanes into the bike path
Okay, so we're having some crazy weather. We just drove out of the rain and hail and into a beautiful day. Taking this off-ramp, again, a little quicker than I'd like. This is the one where the other night it tried to take this corner at like 45. Gonna do it again, even though the sign said 25, back to 45. You know what? You know what? This is definitely how fast locals take it. If this is trained on humans, look at how much bank there is to this road. Everyone takes it at this speed. Yeah. But in the dark, in the rain, a little uncomfortable. Dog park. That's where our giant yellow lab climbed up onto my shoulders in fear of other dogs. Okay, what we're testing now is if it's going to slow down to appropriate speeds. I think it doesn't have a choice because there's cars in front of us that are also slowing down. You know what? To heck with them. I'm going around them. Sure, the speed limit turns to 35 in like 50 feet. Oh, yeah, I think it's reacting to the traffic, not the cars. Okay, we're going to do our final assessments here. You know what? I'm turning off the destination. Let's see where we go. And by the way, all that rain, it never disengaged, not even at good speeds, which is fantastic. Parking, what's your assessment?
Like a 6 out of 10. It's not terrible, but it's also not great.
It's not great. It put us in 2 disabled spots at once in between them. You know, they don't ticket people with a disabled permit in a disabled spot, but if you were in 2, they'd think about it. Not ideal, but fine. Dropping off in front of the store instead of parking, okay. Sometimes on the side of the street it was working, sometimes not. Still parking crooked and over the lines. But considering last week it didn't do that at all, it didn't park. Big improvement. I think that's going to be an easy one to fix. Unpark, what do you think of that?
I think it's very cool that it can do it, and it doesn't mess up at all.
It doesn't mess up at all. It seems like an easy one for them to fix. How can you knock it out of a parking spot? You know what? You're right. I can get out of a parking spot. Lane selection seemed good.
Yeah, it didn't get in that bike lane.
It did not, even though the rain was intense and there was a car in front of us. It could have chosen to go around in the bike path. Thank you for not doing that. It did something. It got out of a parking garage. 10 out of 10. You know what? 9, because it got stuck at the exit. 9 out of 10 for that. Any other thing? Didn't it do something weird? No. Nope. All right. Look, there's no destination. You don't... Okay. All that and you... There's no destination set. It finds itself in a turn lane, and instead of just turning, it puts on a blinker to merge over when there's no space and a car there. You were doing so good. Premature celebration is what that was. Made it to the finish line, tripped right there. Spiked the baton. All right. So anyway, what did I miss? What did I misunderstand? Leave it in the comments below. And I have, if I remember, I think I have put a 100 hertz or 150 hertz high pass filter on this to remove the rumble of the road per a viewer request who said with headphones it sounds painful. It's uncomfortable. Please fix that. We'll see if it worked. If it did, let me know in the comments, which for a limited time only are optional. Yeah.
What's the whistling?
That. What is the whistle for?
Tell you it's your seat or something? Wow.
So it's every time you.
Why is it
I
whistling?
actually like that.
I don't know why it whistles. It does turn off after each time you get out of the car. It's gonna try and make the crazy turn. Okay, car wants to make the crazy turn. Let's see what it do. Oh. Oh. Hey, what do you think?
So it still took it, but it was very confident.
Yes. Didn't hesitate, didn't go crazy. I'll take it.